everyone, and welcome back to a Pokemon Chat-eau pack opening. This time, we got something special. The first booster box for the channel for Burning Shadows, and I'm very excited. And so are these two. I guess they're not very excited.
Alright, so what's the plan today?
Well, we got 36 packs here. We got 4 people, including the cameraman.
Yep.
Cameraman. So that's 9 packs each.
Put a bell there. Put a bell. Yeah, counter.
And it's also your birthday, as we're filming.
Right now. My birthday today, but not when this is posted.
Yeah, this will be a couple weeks later. So, should we just...
It's gonna be like a month later, dude.
Yeah,
actually.
I mean, it's still a couple, whatever. Let's just open this thing. Now, do you guys want the packs now, or just pull it from a box? I can...
Divvy it up.
Yeah, pick the ones you want.
How many can we pick out of there?
9.
Okay, don't divvy it up. Just put them all out and we take 9 each. Just pick whatever one you see.
Oh, God.
It's a random choice thing.
Alright, pick 9.
Oh my goodness.
Make it rain!
3.
I would pick that one because it's pretty, and that one's
Bitch.
cute.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
3, 4, and 5. Okay, and 6, 7, 8.
You have 8.
Are these?
We need 9.
You each need... Everyone needs 9 each.
Yeah.
9. Cam, you have 4.
Alright, yeah, I was waiting on you guys since I've got the camera. I was just gonna be patient, wait my turn. Thank you, Elon. Appreciate that, buddy. What are you? Necrozma, correct?
Yes. Look at all these
I
freaking
apparently
packs.
was really feeling the Necrozma ones.
Alright, so Elon,
Yes.
since
You have the camera. We
I
kinda
do have the camera, and the idea was that we will film it, well basically, like, the
Rotate
person
the
on the left films the person on the right.
Right.
But while we reverse that, since I have the camera, and the birthday girl can go first, then you can go second.
Okay.
Am I gonna go 9 or are we just gonna do
One
one?
at a time.
Yeah, one at a time.
We're gonna rotate.
I have an abundance of Necrozma, so he's gonna go first. Go save, Marshadow, and Tapu Fini. Good job. Necrozma.
Actually, while she's doing that.
Oh, is there a particular way you want us to open the pack?
Yeah, so go ahead and just open it. Don't like spread the cards out just yet. Alright, so see this code? You got a green code. That means you're gonna get a non-holographic rare. The best one you can get is like a Prism Star.
Okay.
So I'm figuring to save time, we don't do the card trick for green cards.
Okay.
So you can just skim through it whenever, however you want.
Buffalant. Olivia.
Kiawe.
Green Energy.
Weavile!
Like a Rock.
Lycanroc.
Riolu. Grimer. Noibat. Horsey. And Vulpix. Hello, everyone.
You don't have a Kiawe. Kia.
A staple in every fire deck. Alright, I'm passing it to...
I shall pick this pack. Burning Shadows.
Just make sure you're careful of this button.
Yeah,
This thing.
Yeah.
got green one too.
Oh, it's green. Okay, then let's just see what we got. Charmander, Alolan Rattata, Porygon. Ew, I hate Pamper. Oh, damn it. Oh, Schnuck.
Ooh,
Mudsdale,
I like that one.
Energy, Tormenting Sage. Why do I have Sunny Sage? And Curlia. Okay,
So-
hold on
so
to that one for
That's the
Bucky.
mushroom I grew.
And put the, just put the reverses over there. I don't really care for anything else.
there you go.
Kessis.
Ah!
Which one are you picking?
I guess we'll do this stack first since they're kind of random.
Okay.
I like this Pokemon the most. So I'm just gonna leave that one last. That did not work.
Not again.
And everyone is.
Not again.
There we go. Alright.
Let's see, flip that code card first. Okay.
Like
Regular.
they're all gonna be-
Just do however you like it.
Panpour, Caterpie, Porygon, Sock,
A sock.
Hey, Sneasel. Oddish, Sneasel. That's
Ooh, that's
nice.
a reverse. Awesome.
That was really cool.
You put that in the deck?
Tangrowth,
I might have to replace
Energy,
the
Solo Rock.
Yes, a Guzma.
Guzma.
Yes, that is an essential.
Electric.
That is an essential in every day.
Every person at this table.
Electric. Guzma is the best.
Yeah, thanks to
Guzma
the
is great.
thanks to the custom built simulator
Yeah.
we made, knows the value of Guzma.
The Hunter tabletop
You going
simulator
for a
getting all the
team?
pictures of my
I'm
deck.
getting Necrozma. Oh!
White. All right. Do the card trick. 4
1, 2, 3, 4.
to the front. There you go.
Lightning energy. Gloom. Lunaton. Wick. Sneasel.
Huzzah.
Another one.
That is the bustiest Pokemon character
Oh
I've
yeah.
ever seen in my life. by
People
the way.
call her Thickwick.
Venipede. Horsey. Cutiefly.
Cutie fly.
Ladybug. Conceer.
Oh.
Rescue Stretcher.
A secret rare right off the freaking bat.
Nice.
So right now Cam's winning.
Yeah, I guess so.
You better
I'm gonna
stop.
put the secret rares in the
Count
sleeve.
that sort of thing.
Are we competing?
Reverse there and all the rest.
Alrighty.
Dang man, no.
You move,
Are we
birthday girl.
competing for the best deck?
Not really. He's gonna make it into a game, obviously.
I got a ho
Let me see all these.
and a green.
I'll be doing a bunch of code giveaways if anyone's interested.
Ho-town. Weakness
Yes!
policy.
Weakness policy.
You were
Great
just
card.
saying how you need one today.
Yep.
Water energy. Butterfree.
Oh, that's a keeper.
Another
Oh,
Vulpix.
nice.
Inkay. Crabrawler.
Tiny.
Dynamo. Tangela. And Ralts. This is the reverse.
Awesome. So yeah, got that one, and weakness policy definitely useful. Let's go with this one. For no reason other than I just picked it. Sweet white. So 4 to the front. Energy.
Yeah, I believe in you.
Quabafet. Charmeleon. That one looks awesome.
Yep.
Porygon 2. Meowth, just strolling along. Nice card. Yeah, Krogon. I'll hold that for you. Pikachu. And reverse Muddale.
Here it comes.
And oh, that looks awesome actually. So
Raichu?
Raichu fighting a Krogog.
Motherfucker.
Ah, Mudzilla.
That is awesome. Hold on one sec. I'll put all the hollows like that in this leaf.
Cool. So, what? Elon's winning now?
No.
No,
Definitely not.
Hell no. Okay.
So here we go. We're gonna open the backpack.
Oh.
Corkscrew punch and front hop. Flip a coin. If heads, they practice more than
Yeah, I got a white one too. So I do that one.
Flip it. Well, yep. You do the
White,
You do the
so
trick.
do the card trick.
1, 2, 3, 4 to the front.
I want a
And
white
then
one.
flip it.
Oh.
No, flip it.
Whoa.
Other way. There you go.
Got it.
Oh
I
well.
got an energy.
I see shininess already.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, a
Just
lot.
gonna put that away. Lana, Metapod, Porygon 2, Tynamo, Oddish, Duskull. I like that
Dabbing
one.
Duskull.
Actually. Morello, Caterpie, Olivia, Sparkly,
And a Marshadow.
Marshadow.
Yes.
Neat,
Now you're in second place.
Legendary Pokemon.
Burby Scarred, Cam,
Well, it's about the rarity of it.
Yeah.
I gotcha.
If it's textured like that, it's a secret rare.
Burby Scarred.
The only thing that will beat that is the full one, correct? We're gonna knock out my other Necrozma real quick. It's gonna be fun on the button. So these codes are for the online TCG.
Yep.
Cool. And we are
Show 'em,
getting a
Brandon.
white.
Son of a bitch.
Motherfucker. I only have green.
Well,
Guys,
the green ones go first.
I picked all the leftovers. Just so you know, I didn't pick any of them. We've got Energy, Escape Rope, Rotom Dex, and Pokefinder mode. Viper,
Awesome.
Noibat, Stuffle.
He's a stuffle.
I still love the idea of Tibor as a Beware.
Yeah.
Mudbray,
Tynamo.
Tynamo, Oddish,
Uh,
Kingdra,
Reverse
Ooh.
Kingdra.
Gyarados. I got the Dragon Pool.
That-
By the way, how fitting is that?
That is sick. Gyarados looks awesome.
Gyarados does look amazing.
Cam pulled his dragons, he is satisfied.
Well, I mean, Gyarados is a pseudo dragon, I guess.
Somebody look at that and be like, nah, that's some kind of dragon.
So what are your thoughts on the fact that mystery boxes and opening packs like this is basically baby's first gambling?
That's a good point, actually.
Now wait,
Oh, there we
Right,
go.
here we go.
Card trick
1,
time.
2, 3, 4.
That means all of us has gotten it
Literally
at
baby's
least.
first, because you just
Flip it over, wonderful. Darkness.
Darkness, Seadra to go with that Kingdra.
Yeah.
Lunatone, Rhydon. Rhydon looks rad. Oddish,
Rad.
Charmander. That Marrow looks really upsetting because it's like knit. I don't like it. Pansage, Esper. I got a trainer.
Hey, a
and then
Kingdra.
The
The non-reverse king.
non-reverse Kingdra.
I think.
that's cool though.
So now to go with the regular Gyarados. Gyarados, yes.
So what do you think of your first box so far?
So, dude, that rescue stretcher, it's sick. I love it.
Nice.
Alright, it's my turn. What do we got?
I should eat the rest of my cake because I'm so tempted to turn around while you're going.
Oh, that's a green. Caterpie, Marrow, Rhyhorn, a Sandygast, Hoot Hoot. Oh, a reverse Diving Duskull. Malamars, Fairy Energy with a Charmeleon, Rhydon, and Noctowl. I got the Rhydon too.
Right on.
Rhydon.
Radon.
Yo. Yeah, just say it with an accent.
And we're going to this
Texas,
one.
you can say Rhydon.
Another ho.
Sounds just like this.
Easier on me.
Pokemon.
And I got a green.
It's a green.
Rhydon.
Easy. Yep.
You know
Tell
you're
you
Drogon.
Togedemaru.
Panseer.
Togedemaru.
Magikarp. Mudbray. Oh, that's cute actually. I like that one. Weavile. Bruxish. Nether Energy. Super Scoop Up. Is that a vacuum cleaner?
It pretty much is.
Okay. Simipour.
Look at that Simipour.
And Plumeria.
Plume area. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Plumeria.
What does it look like? What is it?
It's that
her.
one chick.
It's the
Oh,
trainer.
it's the Team Skull's mom. I got
Yeah,
you.
it's the tan girl with white
Team
eyeshadow.
Skull's team mom. Guzma's team dad.
Alright.
That's weird.
Tapu Fini.
Even though he should not be
This is
that
the
color.
one you like.
No, he
Yeah.
should not be a dad.
That's why I've been saving my Tapu Lily ones for last, because I like her the best.
That's Tapu Fini.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Feeny is.
Lele
Sorry,
is
we've been playing that game too long. I keep thinking Tapu Lily's on my team.
Lily's pink.
Yeah,
Feeny is a Feeny.
I remember, and she lets me draw a trainer,
Fiends!
and that's all I need.
Feeny
Green.
has.
Is that your first green?
That's my first green. So,
I just do however you
Tagla,
want.
Dupiter, Inkay, Ralts, Crabrawler, another Inkay, here you go. Araquanid, Steel Energy, Olivia, Kirlia, Rabombi.
Yeah, Bumblebee.
Again, lame.
Yeah, we got all hyped up.
We got another.
Oh, we have so many more decks, so many more to open.
We got a lot. We got quite a few. Oh, there we go.
You know, just cut out all
At this point, we have 6 each. Jesus. Green.
Fuck. Alright. Whirlpeed.
Yes.
Another Guzma.
Awesome.
How many Guzma
I'll
do
move
you
him
have?
over there.
I think I only have 2. I don't have 4 at this
Energy.
point.
Beware.
Hey, T-Bird.
Level T4. Another Raichu.
Ooh.
Nice.
I like the look of that. That's cool.
Another Krogunk. It's the same pair. Magikarp.
Yeah.
Some Meowth. Wimpod. Togedemaru.
Not bad. Not bad.
Dog the ball.
You got the Guzma.
Do the reverse ones just look cooler? That's what you're saying, okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
They're worth more money.
I have a separate
Like,
one,
this
so-
is probably worth like $15 more than that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though that's just
I
like
got
a common.
I got a white code this time, so let's see. Dark, Noctowl, Semi-Sage, Electric, Pikachu, Panseer, Charmander, Tata, Porygon,
Tata.
Ew, and well, that dark card
Porygon,
looks,
oh.
dark card looks sick. Look at that.
Reflecting really well on the camera.
One of those people that likes Porygon more than Porygon 2 because it's
You like the block?
I like the blocky version. I don't like the weird smoothed out.
Oh, I'd like to say we got one of the pack covers.
Oh yeah.
We got the Mars Shadow.
Yeah.
Ooh, white.
There you go. Card trick time.
Maybe you'll get Phoenix.
Alright. Energy! It's fighting energy. QA. Kiawe.
Kia.
Hey, what?
Kiawe. Mount.
Lysandra.
Lanakila.
Oh, Lanakila. Okay.
Like the buzz. That's kind of nice actually. There's Duskull
The
again.
dabbing Duskull.
And Morlull right after it, and then Caterpie right after that, and then the weird Marl that's knit.
I don't like the knit marrow.
Like a crochet.
No way.
Rhyhorn, Magikarp with splashing dodge.
And
Golasopod. I'm winning now. Am I in first
I
place?
think you're tied at this
You're tied.
point. Yeah.
Okay.
That's.
I really like the Golisopod. My favorite is a bug Pokemon, and that one's really cool.
Damn. Yeah, that looks friggin'. Yeah, Golasopod, man, it was awesome. I named mine Sandwich when I first played.
Sandwich.
Yeah.
I wish all
Why?
the bugs
I
were not-
honestly,
That's a great name.
I honestly couldn't tell you.
I wish all the bugs were not
There
like
you
super weak to fire.
Sandwich is such a good
I mean, they're
name.
basically
Because they
types,
they
yeah.
all have the best design. I don't care what it is.
Dude, Caesar looks sick.
Right?
Alright, my other Tapu Fini.
Sick like rad or sick like unwell?
Both.
Like both.
Green, unfortunately.
Unfortunately.
Alolan Gratita. Porygon. Panpour. Pansage.
Swear to God. Get
Esper. Mount Lanakila is the foil. Electivire.
Electivire.
Water Energy. Weakness Policy. Here you go, along. Another weakness policy.
Nice.
Yeah, is that the stuff
That's
we're
it,
gonna use?
yeah,
Alright,
that's
Porygon 2
that's
and
useful shit.
Po-Town.
It's
As
Po-Town.
opposed to Rich Town.
Po Town.
They couldn't even afford the other letters.
Oh no. Oh yeah, it's Team Skull's.
Oh no! Oh yeah? Is it really?
Yeah, that's where all the Team Skull members are. Fuck! Alright.
And their gang members, so added symbolism.
I like a Dusclops. Go with our dad and children. Hey look, Simmy's here.
Ah, dang it.
Mount
Lanakila.
Lanakila.
Darkness
I like the way Crabominable looks, although I never had one. Oh, there's a gross knit marrow. You know?
There he
I
is.
don't like it. Sneasel.
Why are you so happy?
Crabrawler, with your Crabominable, Ralts,
The routes.
okay.
And a
Dupiter.
And a Dupiter. It's a Dupiter.
Water boy.
We got a Mars Shadow pack. Oh, it's great.
Don't give a fuck.
Venipede. Horsey. Cutie Pie. Ladybug. This is a derpy ladybug, actually. Alolan Grimer. Ooh, a Sophocles. That's pretty cool. And Passaman. Oh dang, he's throwing like a coconut at
Yeah,
Lucario.
his name is like, isn't it Passimian?
Oh,
Yeah, Passimian.
Passimian. Oh, okay, yeah, Guzma. Nice. Anytime it's a Guzma, it's worth the pack. Guzmas are like $5 each.
Are they really?
Yeah,
Because
they're-
they're in every deck.
Yeah.
Got it.
They're hiding in.
They are.
Because like, if you pull a Guzma,
They're
that pays
very
for the
good.
pack.
Yep.
Do you think they'll ever rotate out Guzma?
Yes.
It will be a while until they rotate it out, but yes.
Gen 8.
Yeah.
Agree.
If
Alright.
we can still get a Prism Hollow,
Mudbray.
which we haven't pulled yet.
Tynamo. It's a knit Tynamo.
That one looks cute though.
Oddish. Dabbing Duskull again.
That's like your
and
third
then the
time in a
Morlo-
row.
And then it always has the Morlo right after it. And then Heatmore. That's kind of interesting, actually.
He's a fire anteater.
Yeah. Scolipede. I actually really like that.
That's a bug.
Energy. C4. Bodybuilding dumbbells.
I've seen people use that.
Yeah.
And Sophocles.
Kissful.
That's Sophocles.
It's Sophocles.
There you go, Pikachu. That's kind of cute. Alright.
It's Comstock.
Alright, here we go, Mark Shadow.
I hope it doesn't get dizzy and go around. That's what
Mars Shadow.
figure it out.
I'm a fighting ghost type. 7 gens to come up with that combination.
Oh no, the ghost can punch back.
Alright, we got green, so nothing special here.
Can we just call him?
Grimer. Riolu. Meowth.
He,
Alolan Vulpix. Wimpod.
he's a win.
Crabominable is the
Reverse
Yep.
hollow.
Alolan Eradicate. Grass Energy. That's flops. That's Charles' only kind of energy. Charmeleon,
There you go.
tormenting spray.
The spray of torments.
You can just torment your Charmeleon.
Pokemon get the tormenting spray. Alright, what we got?
We are each down to 4.
I'm going to give the Marshmallow one a try. You three gotta fucking wait.
Get a white ink.
Could you call Marshadow a Phantom Fist?
Sure.
Punch a ghost. Fuck. Alright, cool.
Oh yeah, most of them are good.
Nothing special. Hey, look.
Yes!
Yay.
Ace roll
You wanna have her?
Yes.
Cape Gloom. Swiper. I don't know what that is.
Fairy energy.
Eradicate Fairy. Another her.
Another her.
Another her.
Definer, Cutie Fly. Rylu. Grammar. Not bad.
Huzzah!
Were there any in there that were?
You got Ace Rolla. That's another really good one.
Oh, I was just wondering if there were any reversals in there or no.
Oh, you did.
Yeah,
You got the other girl. That's
Oh! Another her. I got you.
yeah, white card. Bowl. Say that with a fairy energy. Bowflant. Escape rope. Thick wick. That's fair. Sock. No way that. Stuffle. Library. Ooh, a reverse Beyonce. And yeah!
Machamp!
Machamp GX.
Nice.
I am somewhat on the board now.
Big punch.
I love Machamp. He's a
Cool.
Look at that boy.
I haven't
It's
got
your turn.
shit.
Beastie.
Very bad luck.
Last one.
Yeah.
The shoes. The shoes threw me off.
The shoes, yep.
The lucky fun of the shoes.
Those shoes are sick though.
Took up all my luck energy.
And I got a green again.
Oopsie.
Firmly believe in
Kitty
me.
fly. That's fine. Dupider.
You guys have all the wrappers over there?
I have
Togedemaru. Wimpod. Meowth. Malamar. Kind of pretty. Got a little shine on it.
Malamar's the
Lydia.
outline, isn't it?
Lydia. Energy. Seadra. Plumeria. Lunatown! I really love Lunatown. It's another one that's like
It's a moon.
super weak to a bunch of stuff though.
Psychic Rock, I think.
I believe so.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It does have
The
levitate.
last
though.
Marshadow.
Levitate is nice on Ludica.
Most of the ones I like are just because I had them on my team in that one GameCube game.
Another white.
Let's see.
Hold on. White.
Yep.
White code. Here we go.
White.
So, white power, see?
Yeah, all the white power. I was waiting on somebody else to make that joke so I could. Alright. Lightning energy.
Does it count still? Anyway.
Electric. Rhydon. Bodybuilding dumbbells.
Nice.
Swole today. Charmander. He got a really long nose. I just wanted to point that out on camera. It's slightly weird, but Meryl is super knit. Look at that.
God, it's so weird. Like I didn't notice it at first, and then I had like the empty eyes.
Esper, Pikachu, Mudbray,
I see a dark card.
Necrozma GX. And I'm totally winning now.
Hot dang.
That's another pack
Pack cover, yeah.
Yep.
Neat.
Do we have viewers under a certain age?
I don't really care.
Can I say that?
Yeah, sure.
Let's
You say that after
let's-
you've already
yeah,
been talking for like 20 minutes?
Fuck.
Uh,
This is Tapu Fini.
You disrespect the fire god.
On the floor then with your fucking chicken.
chicken. He's a ho. Oh.
Got him.
Yes, let's make fun of the Japanese language.
Green.
Have all of yours been green?
No,
I've had one white.
Okay, gotcha.
There was a king drop. Yes.
I have been getting a lot of the trainer cards though. Wish roll baton.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's kind of specific.
It depends on the deck, yeah.
Metapod, water, Electros,
Reverse Pikachu. I love it.
Horsey, Lampy,
Sneasel.
Crabrawler,
Get all of the Sneasels.
Ralts. I've gotten a lot of Ralts and Crabrawlers. I've gotten like every Crabrawler we've seen. What is that? What am I being told here?
Ralts You've gotten both of the ace rollers before.
And Curlia. And do we have any Gardevoir yet?
No.
No?
Alright, Code. This could be the Gardevoir.
Ooh.
Who knows?
I hope.
Electric. Electabuzz. Super.
What?
Rundex. The adorable
Is that
Merle
what they
that
have
everyone
together?
loves. Rhyhorn.
Because Gardevoir's great.
Hoot Hoot. Tangela. Oh, I got the reverse Gyarados. And oh, this Lucario is sick. I'm actually gonna get that with my other Lucarios. I have certain Lucarios.
Alright.
Is that all Feeny?
Yes, and all Feeny
Oh
left.
yeah, I saved all the hoes for last, so that makes sense. I got you.
Yeah, you pick your favorite.
I got
Another green! Rattata, Panpour, Caterpie, Porygon, Sock. I feel like I've opened this pack before. I have like deja vu. Like Lycanroc.
Oh, that one's cool.
Yeah, that one is neat. It's got the little shine on it.
Turtonator.
We'll get,
Turtonator.
you know, whatever. That's fine. Noctowl, Simipour, Bouffalant.
Bouffalant.
The Turtonator.
That Lycanroc is nice.
That's what I named my Turtonator.
That's
Trogdor.
perfect.
That's awesome.
Turn.
I would like to use this chance to shout out that they have successfully kick-funded a Trogdor board game.
Nice.
Really?
Up every light. Getting a little
Alright.
Yeah, it's getting dark in here.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh, damn, we got 3 Guzmas. We need one more
Green.
playset.
I got 2 of those. Was it a 3?
Yeah.
So,
Like you keep getting
Sandagast,
but you're getting all the good cards.
Hoot Hoot, Tangela, Jupatter, Inkay, Rotom Dex Hollow, Reverse, there you go, Meowstick, Psychic, Wobbuffet, Hornipede, Charmeleon. Next! No.
Show us what you got.
Show us what you got. Another, fire chicken.
Oh my gosh.
It's fine. What do you know? Big surprises here. Pulling out these big rare cards. Sophocles, Rabombi. There's another Wishful Baton. That.
Steel. Yeah.
Look, another holographic Simisear. It's reverse, I guess.
Yeah.
Tokenoir. Another Wimpod. Vulpix. Meowth. Burrow. Wow, a whole lot of fucking nothing.
Wow.
Wow.
Maybe you should just let other people pick, and then you take what's last, like I did.
Are you gonna?
Wow.
You just want to film it?
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Quit taking the pile.
Watch Shadow. Yes.
I wonder if we're gonna get Charizard in here. Or Ho-Oh.
Or Gardevoir. Or Glade.
Psychic Energy.
I'm not blazing.
Whatever that is. Metapod. Dusclops. Charmander. His favorite. Especially the art. Porygon. Everyone's favorite Meryl. Hoot Hoot. Rhyhorn. Oh, reverse Crow.
My boy!
And yeah!
Oh.
Yes! This is one of the cards I wanted to pull!
I love
The
her.
full art Ace Rolla. She's one of my favorite characters.
She
That is
is
a very expensive
really,
card,
really
I believe.
cute.
It's like at least 20 or something.
That's a really cute.
Oh, I'm so.
I love
Alright,
it.
that's worth it. It's worth the box.
Now the question is, no, I'm still kicking your ass. I'm fairly certain.
I'm just saying it's worth the box.
Oh,
for me.
gotcha.
Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty.
She's so cute. I like her too. She's probably my favorite from that game.
Alright, your turn.
Anyway, yeah.
We're pretty.
Mimikyu?
Yeah, she has been in the
Oh, she has. Yeah.
Well, I think we're pretty close though, Cam, in terms of.
Yeah, you got it. There we go.
Because I mean, that's still like the same as
My win.
the
I
whatever.
pulled Necro.
What?
But I pulled Machamp. Machamp. Bro. Okay.
Energy. Lana, Heat More.
Heat more what?
Sinister.
Yeah.
I was like,
Cool, guys.
Krogunk, Panseer, Magikarp, Mudbray, Alolan Rattata, Togedemaru,
It's a shiny.
and
Oh, a full art Tapu Bulu.
That's a super expensive card
Shine.
too.
And it's got some texture on
Yep.
it.
I think
And
Kestrel's
it's
winning now.
beautiful.
We'll
Yeah, I
we'll
hope
round it
so.
up here in a bit. Holy crap, that's a great pull.
Yeah, that was really neat.
All right,
He's got a nose ring.
there you go. Nice.
Alright,
Nice.
another hole.
Wow.
We got a full art Guzman. Ugh. Green.
So nothing to worry about. Riolu, Cutiefly, Dupotter, Togedemaru. Hey Cass, what's this guy's name?
Togedemaru. You know, I said the
Alolan
last two
Ninetale.
times,
That's
right?
a very pretty
You said
card.
Togedemaru after people sneeze.
That one?
Turtonator, what's his name? Okay.
Trogdor.
The Turtonator.
Dark Energy, Complicated.
That's a great name.
Survivor.
Holy
Thank you, Wiki.
crap. Yeah.
Thank you, Wiki.
I named my Incineroar
Like what?
Kane like the wrestler.
Yep. My last one. We got
I will laugh if it's not.
watch.
If it's wet.
Fucking watch. It be green.
Come on.
Huh?
Fling them all. Alright.
Oh, you can still get a Prism Star.
What?
Don't worry about it.
Oh, you can keep that.
My boy. I got a Seadra. It's the
Yeah,
shiny boy.
More
Morlo.
lols.
Another Duskull.
A Dapskull.
Oddish. And Mudbray. Cool. So I got absolutely nothing.
Correction. Elon got nothing out of those
But
packs.
you also got this. That's yours.
But I got my boy.
A reverse hollow boy.
My boy.
Last pack. Last pack. Let's do this. As long as it's white. Yes! Hyper Rare Charizard.
That'd be awesome.
Oh my god.
That'd be amazing.
This is Charizard's here.
Say four. Make the buzz. And four. God damn it. Stop it. That's fair. No, I bet. Stuffle. Ooh, a super sweet bow. Aww. Still looks awesome though. I actually traded this for something, so now I have it again.
Which one?
Dynasty.
Ah. This is legendary.
Yes, she is.
That's cute. I push the button.
No, we're still going. We're still going.
My last one.
It went like, the screen went black, but then it went back on.
My last clam girl
Oh.
Pokemon.
The timer's still going, so.
Okay.
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
you see the red dot?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo, goodness. Alright.
Aw.
Yeah.
Cam, you
What
need
about
last.
white ones?
You
Yeah,
need
you
last
better
pack
have a white
magic.
one.
Yeah, you need last pack
Hopefully
magic.
we go on a high note.
Ladybug, Caterpie, Sandy Gas, to which we hadn't done yet.
Yeah,
And
I
a
know.
Venipede. Oh, you didn't? Never mind.
Sneasel.
Sneasel. Noibat.
I
It's
like
pretty
Noibat.
cute. Oh, it's got little stars on it. It's cute, actually. Heracross. Heck yes. Energy. Mountain Lolly. Yeah, that one again. Wishful Baton.
Oh, you got a Loonstone too, so now you
And
got a Silver.
Solrock.
Freaking epic. Alright, Cam. It is up to you.
Freaking A.
With the last pack magic.
Can you smell what the cam is cooking?
Let's find out. 'Cause I'm
Let's
cooking
find out.
with fire.
Oh my god. Just whipping it
Yeah,
around.
that's usually how cooking is done. Not to ruin the win for yourself. Green!
Oh, wait. We can still get a Prism.
Magikarp,
I don't think we
Krogunk,
haven't pulled one yet. What the heck?
Pikachu, not in this entire box, Panseer, Charmander, Darkrai,
Reverse Darkrai. Which means no.
Slowking, Energy, Acerola,
Yes. Please.
Bodybuilding Dumbbells, and Seadra.
Honestly,
So did I win?
I had a great time.
Is that it? Did I win?
Let's rally it up. How about that? Alright. Let's see what everyone
I think Kess did win.
Let's find out. So
I
you got
pure
you
luck.
got that. I got that. You got both of these. And she got the Boo. I got the Ace Roller. You got the Stretcher.
Yeah, I win.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did I get?
I got, let's see what's
Not
the
Just
red.
like Mario.
But I did
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Cassidy.
birth.
Huzzah!
Yes.
This is a
And then
great-
the real winner
This is a great time,
is
honestly.
Elon.
Because I get all the
Are you sure?
Yes.
Because I got a bunch of frog boys.
But I got H. This is my favorite card.
I don't know if you knew this, but I got a reverse shiny.
Yeah, just make a deck of just
Only
Krogan
Krogan.
and energy.
Could
and
you
that's it. That's all
imagine?
you-
The whole game is me dropping
Thank you for
Krogan.
watching, everyone. It's probably, we'll do another box opening. hopefully
Yep.
Pretty soon. So.
Definitely soon.
Yep, so keep an eye on that. And if you want these codes, follow me on Twitter. Twitter's gonna be in the description. I'm gonna be posting a bunch of these because this is a lot.
Dish 'em out.
Yep.
So we'll see y'all guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye bye.